But look at what's been going on just in the apartment world in construction. And the people that Mac's bringing in are all the people, the trades that we need. And some he's going to bring more of. Just talking to my guys that build, actually the general contractors, they can't find workers. I have a son who's an electrician. I remember him going away to college for a week, and he came back and said, I don't want to go to college. And I was like, this was a godsend to have another path, and a path that the happiest kid, I'm nothing, and I went to college, I was happy there, but it really gives him something that he wanted to do and a way to grow that he didn't really have a vision for. And you walk in that facility and you look around and you see 10 options, you're shopping, and it's great. It shows the commitment of Henrico County, not just to education, but to revitalization and the public-private partnership and what we can do together.